Hi all, I welcome you all to for the ffmpeg utility. Uh, Using the ffmpeg utility, we can concatenate videos and audios with two different resolutions, and we can also use the ffmpeg utility to concatenate one video and audio file. And we can also use the ffmpeg utility to scale down the video resolution. This is an open source. I'll show you one by one how to do that. First, let us see how to merge the two videos using the ffmpeg utility with two different resolutions. Let me go to the command prompt. I'll show you the processing. Here we have one text file. So we are processing the file names that have been mentioned in the text file. So the input file for the concatenation is a text file, and we are producing the merged file using the -c space copy parameter. See how the file names are specified. See, this is a text file. We we mention the file names by prefixing the command file space single quotes. Enter the file name which you want to and close the file with the single quotes again. I can mention the second file name and the same format and save the file and pass the input file as a text file and enter the command as mentioned here. Let's see how it is working. First, I'll remove the merged file which is already existing. Then I'll run this command now. One moment. Ensure that you mention the text file as the full path as I mentioned here. One second. Don't Please ensure that text file path is as a full path, like where it is located. Now we can see the merged videos here. And the next thing that we are going to cover here is we are going to merge one video file and the audio file. See, when we are trying to concatenate one video file and audio file, I am mentioning the two input files, one for video file and the other one is for the audio file. After that, I am saying parameter information hyphen c colon v space copy hyphen map 0 colon video colon 0 space hyphen map 1. Once again, let me see here, map hyphen map 1 colon a colon 0 space the output file name. So what is the process uh, here is we are mentioning the one input file for video and another input file for audio. So we have video file extension mp4 and audio file as mp3, and we are requesting the ffmpeg utility to copy the video and audio, and we are saying that 0 colon v colon 0. What does it mean is use the first video file and second file is audio file. So we are mentioning as 1 colon a colon 0. What is that colon 0 at the end? That is output file is only one file. Let's see. So here is the concatenated file that you can see. Next we are going to see the video scaling resolution using the ffmpeg utility. We can see the differences in the resolution once we scale down. See here what we are trying to pass the parameter is one input file that we generated using the previous process, and we are scaling down the high resolution video to the resolution as 640 into 360. So we are passing the parameters for the ffmpeg as one input file name, and we are passing the resolution, video resolution scale with the 640 to 360 and space the output file. So once it is processed, we will be getting the low resolution video. So you can see the two resolution videos size file sizes. I'll show the differences now. This is with the high video resolution, and I'm showing the scaled down video with a low resolution. You can see the difference. So you can easily see the blur in the low quality resolution, right? Low video resolution. Okay, thank you.